the data retrieval part. So far we discussed about different type of storing the data. So we talked about vertical sharding, we talked about group-based sharding, range-based sharding, we talked about key-based sharding, we also discussed about the directory-based sharding. So now we need to know how to retrieve the data back so that we can present it to the application. So the data retrieval consists of multiple layers. Let's talk about each layer. So the unwrapper. The unwrapper is basically when the request comes in, it needs to unwrap the request and you need to validate the request, make sure that it's in the right format, and then the data boundaries are set correctly, and the security logic is the credential informations are validated. So the unwrapper basically unwraps the data and validates all this information. Once it validates the information, then it will send it to the segregator. Segregator basically checks against the table to see the particular key where the particular data is mapped into which shard. So you'll understand based on the either lookup table or the file, which basically have that mapping information. The segregator will understand the data. Once it understands the data, then it submits to the executioner, which will basically construct the query, and then it will go to the particular shard and then executes the query or retrieve the data, right? So once it retrieves the data, then it will hand it to the formatter. The formatter will basically, it formats the data into a XML format or JSON format or a regular data set, kind of a rogue format. It just basically formats the data. Once the data is formatted, then the responder will send the results back to the requester. So that's basically constitutes the data retrieval portion. So each one plays a critical role because the nature of the modules are kind of are independent of each other, where it basically does the handshake, and then each module has the validation point checks in. So it has a exception handling, and then how to return the data when it's not finding the particular mapping of the shard key, or if the execution, the key, the SQL is not proper and it cannot validate the database information. And then the formation is make sure that the expected format. So it's a configurable parameter where you can say, no, I want to have the JSON object versus XML format versus the report format. So all this thing happening within the individual module. And then once the data is constructed, the data is responded back to the requester. At that point, it's a complete stack where the data retrieval happens based on where the data is stored.